Hey everyone, this is Carl. I just wanted to give you just a fundamental example based off of week 4 question 1 talking about scatter plots. And I wanted to show you just briefly what the initial data would look like. And it's a very basic example that we have here. We want to see if there is a correlation. A correlation, it means a relationship, but we'll kind of get into that a little bit later. A correlation between RAM, computer RAM, and cost. And so what we want to do, and when you first want to do when you're doing this, is that a scatter plot is meant to test the relationship of two columns of data. And so we're just going to go ahead and dive right into it. So as you know, jumping into Insert, and Excel has a scatter plot function already. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to look to see the relationship, and as we build it, I'll kind of explain it. So as we've done before, you have your plot. You right click on here to select data, or conversely we can select data right here just for mixing it up. We'll put it right here. And our data range, notice we have everything set. We have our column titles and then our data. So we want to see, and this is our X and this is our Y. What does that mean? RAM will be our X-axis going horizontally, and cost will be our Y-axis going vertically. And so we get everything set. Excel is really good at automating. We want to look at cost, exactly. And so we can hit OK. Let's see, this is our scatter plot. Now what you first initially see right here is that this is not very much of a scatter plot. So it actually is quite linear. Now what does linear mean? Is essentially that it makes a line going up. It's a positive relationship. So in this case, in this example, when it's a positive relationship explicitly, it means that the relationship is strong and that the line is positive. So what does that mean? That means that there is a correlation. That means that there is a relationship, that the explanatory variable RAM actually has an effect on cost. It's a direct effect. It's a measured effect. That's what this means. So conversely, if it was completely completely not understandable in terms of data points being everywhere, that you really couldn't just visually without actually creating a regression line, which we'll get a couple chapters down, that we have no idea if there is a relationship. But in this case, there is, because it's a solid line. As you increase RAM, you increase cost. It's a positive, strong relationship. So, and I just wanted to give you a brief overview of what this in its most basic form would look like. And that'll be it. Just let us know if you have any questions. Thanks much.